Test. Okay, hello guys. So today I will show you how to fix this problem. So the things is I want to change my LED, my graphic card. I want to change this image, but when I downloaded RGB version 2.0, is it's so like this, and it's stuck. I don't know why. So then I try to search anything in internet, but seems like it doesn't work. Then I read a comment that all you need to do is just install these things. So you go to this website gigabyte.com. I will give the link in the comment. You download this gigabyte control center full installation. You download it. It's like 800 megabyte. You download it and you install it. So the application is like this. So you can you can change the color or whatever you want. So I will test to you. For this color, this I will change to red. Okay, wait, it's working guys, it's working again. Then I try to change the LCD panel. You can change here lah.